Welcome to the GeoMethod channel. Today we are solving another interesting geometry problem. Here is today's challenge. Can you find area of the triangle? Take a moment to study the figure. Then let us uncover the key geometric ideas that make the solution click. Here is triangle ABC, drawn with a right angle at the vertex B. Our whole task is to find the area of this triangle. Two measurements pin the triangle down completely. The hypotenuse segment AC equals 8, and the angle at A, that is angle BAC, equals 75 degrees. A right triangle with a fixed hypotenuse and one acute angle has just one shape. From angle BAC, cosine gives the adjacent leg segment AB, and sine gives the opposite leg segment BC. The displayed equations use the marked angle and hypotenuse 8. The triangle area theorem gives 1/2 segment AB times segment BC. Substituting the two legs produces the displayed sine-cosine product. First insight. The double angle identity turns 2 sine alpha cosine alpha into sine 2 alpha, so the product collapses immediately. Factor 16 from the expression. The remaining doubled sine-cosine product becomes the sine of the doubled angle shown. Second insight. The angle shown is supplementary to the familiar acute angle, so their sines agree and the exact value is 1/2. Therefore, the area of triangle ABC is 16 times 1/2, which is 8. That completes the solution. A good geometry problem often has more than one beautiful solution. If you see a genuinely different construction, a high-level idea that leads to another solution, or a thoughtful adaptation of an existing method, share it in the comments. Even a rough idea is welcome. A sketch of the key move is enough. We greatly appreciate these contributions. With your permission, we may feature the approach in a future Viewer Solutions episode and acknowledge you by name or channel handle. Thanks for exploring geometry with GeoMethod.